Hello again. I want to grab a little sound sample on this ukulele before I do a string change. This is my Koaloha Opio, currently strung with Kamaka Black Nylons. Like these strings a lot. Nylons are not really my favorite. The professionals and stuff, most of them use nylons. So, there's got to be something to it. I plan on revisiting them at some point. But I'm going to try some Aquila Bblacks on this ukulele. See if I like them better due to my preference. I appreciate you watching. Thank you.